Hello guys, welcome to my channel KSDTechno Space. In today's video, we are going to cover rep cursor and sysrep cursor along with practical explanation how to use it in a real-time code. Okay, so before starting that practical, just have a small introduction of the rep cursor and sysrep cursor. Okay, so rep cursor. Okay, it's one of the most powerful, flexible and scalable ways to return query result from an Oracle database to a client. This rep cursor has two different forms, strong type and another is weak type. The strong type is always associated with specific record structure, type or table structure, and weak type is not associated with any kind of query, so you can use it wherever required. From Oracle 9.9, actually earlier it was not there, but from Oracle 9.9 there is new rep cursor which is part of weak type only, but that is a system predefined rep cursor has been introduced. Okay, so instead of declaring, we can directly utilize that sys_rep cursor, which is called predefined weak type rep cursor. So no need to declare it, and directly you can utilize in our code. That also we'll see in this video. Okay, and another point is like, what are the characteristics of rep cursor? First point, it refers to memory address on the database. Okay, and another, it involves additional database round trip because it's passed the query result in PLSQL programs. Okay, and third one is it's not updatable and not backwards callable as well. And the last one is PLSQL data type. It's a PLSQL data type. Okay, so it was small introduction of the rep cursor. So let's start the video how to use a code using a rep cursor and sysrep cursor in a real-time programming world. Okay, so let's begin the video. Rep cursor having a two typed of rep cursor. One is strong type rep cursor and another is weak typed rep cursor. Okay, this is first and this is second. Now we'll see how we can define the strong type rep cursor. To define a strong rep cursor, type C_strg, you can say strong rep, okay, is rep cursor return. Say now we can use this table also, HDT product, because we are using from first video this table, so it is better for you to understand. Percentage row type. This is how we can declare strong type rep cursor. Strong type rep cursor, okay, it is always associated with specific record structure, or you can say type. Okay, and the variable you can say L_strg ref. Okay, this way. And next is weak rep cursor. This is not associated with any kind of structure, so you can utilize for any type of query. So how to declare this one? Type C_weak rep cursor is ref cursor. Okay, and down again you define one variable weak ref, and this one will be. So we have now one strong ref cursor and one is weak ref cursor. So you have understood the difference, right? This is associated with specific table structure, but this is not associated with any specific table structure. It can be used for any kind of query. Okay, now from Oracle 9i you can say weak type rep cursor, but that is a sys underscore rep cursor, which is a predefined rep cursor actually. Okay, so let's define how we can define, say c underscore prd rep. Okay, so is a sys underscore rep cursor. It's predefined rep cursor. Okay, predefined weak type rep cursor, you can also say weak type rep cursor. Now let's see how to use it in our code. Let's utilize this sysrep cursor. Yeah, let's open this sysrep cursor. It is c underscore prd. Okay, for say select, we can select any. So let's see, we are utilizing this one. Already use this two variable, that product code mrp. I want to use something else now. So what will be product name, okay, and the buy rate. Okay, let's utilize that one. It's a product name, okay, and buy rate from, sorry, I have not copied that table name. Let me copy that table name. Is HTTP product, where vendor code equal to, let's give any kind of vendor code. We have utilized 3 and 4. Let's choose 1. Let's fetch this one using same above panda loop. Generally you should give like this way. Okay, loop this one, it is best practice. Just for your understanding, I am giving stepwise. Now let's fetch. What is our sys rep cursor name? C underscore. So fetch this one into product name and buy rate. So we need to declare two more variable. Okay, so what will be L underscore prod name, that is you can say HDT underscore product dot product name percentage type. Another is L underscore buy rate. Okay, buy RT. So HDT underscore products dot buy rate percentage type. We have defined this one. Now we will fetch data here. Then L underscore buy rate. Okay, and semicolon. Now just again, as I already told you in both the videos, exit this loop because it's an infinite loop. When c underscore, sorry for cap, c underscore prd rep percentage not found. Okay, and let's print it now. So I'll copy paste this one just to reduce the time of this video. Say this is like sys rep cursor. Okay, sys rep cursor example. What we are fetching here? Product name. Give product name and buy rate. So here product name, and here is buy rate. Okay, so this is how we have defined the sysrep cursor. Let's see what is the output. So we have the output. Now see, this is the example of sysrep cursor. So let's revise this one once more time. Okay, we have two different type of rep cursor. One is weak rep cursor, another is strong. Okay, how do we define strong rep cursor? You saw it is specifically associated with table structure, and weak rep cursor we can utilize anywhere for any query, and sysrep cursor is also same kind of predefined weak type of rep cursor. Okay, now we saw the example of sysrep cursor. Okay, where we are using for one different query, say c and open that sysrep cursor, and then you are use this query to fetch the data, and what we are fetching, product name and buy rate, and we saw the output also for this one, and we got the output. So this is the end of this video. I hope you like this video and learn something from this video. So see you the next time.